Hi guys, today I'm doing the taste test challenge and today I'm about to take my dad's money.
Oh no. Alright, let's start at the one on the left.
Diet Coke? Sunkiss?
Okay.
Mountain Dew?
Okay.
I know this one because I always drink it at Target. Sprite?
Okay.
Diet Coke? Blue Prawn?
Okay. One more.
This one has to be Diet Coke now.
Alright, you got it. You got it. So, you missed this one, and you
Can
missed
I see
this
the
one.
ones?
So you have a total of
Can I see all the ones now?
26, 27, 37 bucks.
Dad, can I see
Good
all
job.
the other ones? Can I see?
Alright, we got my boy Ian here. What's up, baby? You ready to do this challenge or what?
Yeah.
Alright, Vania put up an impressive performance. She got 2 wrong. Let's see what you... Hey, let's go, baby. Start with the one on the left.
Rubia.
No. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Alright, move to the next one. What you got?
Sunkiss.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, that's Coke. That's Coke.
Keep it pushing. What you got?
That's Sprite.
Alright.
Was that Rubia?
That's root beer. Okay. 2 more.
Is that fine?
That's prime. 1 more to go.
That's Coca-Cola.
Alright. Let's go. So, you missed this one. And you missed this one.
Wait, we both.
So, y'all both missed 2. Vania, you placed the money. What we got? 35, 40, 41 bucks.
Who got 41 bucks?
Ian.
Me.
Now it's my dad's turn to do the guess the drink challenge.
Alright, let me see. I'm about to get all of these. What is that? Is that Mountain Dew? What?
No.
It's not?
Next one.
Coke.
Yeah.
Alright. Sprite. What the heck?
What are you?
What is that? Mountain Dew. That's Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
Alright. Diet Coke.
No.
Ah. Root beer. Hey, alright.
Okay, you got this one right? Okay, this one.
Hold on a minute.
Let's see.
So I only got, I got 11 bucks.
Yeah.
Wait, no, wait.
No, he didn't get this one.
Hold on. I think you guys are cheating me.
No. Remember, you only got 3 right. You got these.
12 bucks.
You got this right.
Y'all cheated.
You got this right, and then you got this right. This one, and this one.
No, he got the Coke right. Wait, which one did you call the second one?
So my boy Ian got first with $41. Finally got second with $38. And I got 12 freaking bucks, man. They cheated me.